In this video, I'll talk about how to calculate the work done from a force and the displacement graph. So we have a graph given which is versus the force versus the displacement. And this is how the graph looks like. The force is increasing, the displacement is increasing. The force is a constant, but the displacement is again increasing. Now the force is decreasing, and so is the displacement is still increasing. So from this graph, you have to calculate what is the total amount of work done from x equals to 0 meter to x equals to 8 meter. In a force displacement graph, the amount of work done is equal to the total area. So we just need to find out the total area. All right. So let's find out the area of this triangle, and then we'll find the area of this rectangle, and then the triangle again. So we're just dividing into 3 segments to calculate the total work done. We'll find out the area of the triangle, rectangle, and this triangle. And that I'm calling A1, A2, and A3. So here, A1, A2, and A3. So this is the total amount of work done. The area of a triangle is given by the formula. I'm just writing down here. The area of a triangle is half the base times height. That's the area of a triangle. Here, for A1, the base is 2 meter. So half base, and this is the height, which is 7 meter. I'm just plugging the 7 meter here. And this is a rectangle, and area of a rectangle is length times the height. So in this case, from 2 to 6, the total length is 4. So this is 4 now. And now again, the height is 7. So I'm just plugging 7. For A3, again, now you tell me what is the base here. The base here is 2 meter. So the base is 2. And the height is again 7. So 7. So if you plug in all the values, what you get is 42 joule. So this is the total amount of work done when a force versus displacement graph is given. So this is it for today's lecture. Again, if you have any questions, write down your questions in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.